We're back, this time with Paramecium bursaria. And I don't know how this one's going to work out. Paramecium is a ciliate, and I might need protoslow for this. But we'll give it a try without protoslow. There's some algae here, but I'm not really seeing any paramecium. It's hard to tell paramecium without going to oil immersion. These long filaments might be paramecium. Paramecium itself as a ciliate is typically, in my experience, shorter and fatter. More like a slipper shape. This doesn't really have a slipper. You know, that might be a paramecium right there, that moving bit. And this might just be its food source. A lot of times these individual, cultures come with the food source for the paramecium. Let me try this under oil immersion. I'm not expecting great things. We've had very poor success today with the oil immersion. But let's take a look around. That's not a paramecium either. Yeah, that's algae. Not actually seeing paramecium. That's unfortunate. This one we're going to take a look at is our first of our protists. Protist is a bad word. This is the first of our protozoans. And this is Euglena. Now, I don't have the species. This is just a Euglena species. But I'm using protoslow for this. There is no way I'd be able to do any type of good demonstration without it. Euglena is a fast-moving little protozoan. And I'm hoping that we have some nice things here to show you the movement. If not, I have some other resources, mostly YouTube videos, but it's other cool resources that I have that I will give to you to show the movement of Euglena. Really for all of these. I'll probably give you better YouTube videos with a better camera and really a better setup to look at the movement of some of these. I'm pretty sure we have some proto-slowed Euglena here. Yeah, there we go. This is a Euglena. Probably wondering, how did I know that was a Euglena? Well, I've seen these a lot. Let's go to 40 times. And look at that. That is a gorgeous Euglena right there. You can see that it's not moving. It's probably because of the protoslow. But it moves in a spiral fashion. And I will definitely get a better video on Euglena movement that you guys can take a look at. But that is just a gorgeous Euglena. I am tempted, very tempted to try this under oil immersion. I highly doubt it's going to work since this is a cover glass. But yeah, I'll risk it for the biscuit. That is the scientific way, of course, of saying it. Risk it for the biscuit. Let's see what we get. Yeah, and we're moving again. Let's move around a bit, see if we find a nice Euglena. Nah. Well, these things happen. Now for this one, this is our last of the protozoans, and this is Amoeba Proteus. And let's see what we get here. I did add protoslow. There's also rice and Chilomonas here. I believe it's Chilomonas. Yeah, it's a Chilomonas. That's Chilomonas, as opposed to Chlamydomonas. And the reason why I want to make that clear is that this here is the Chilomonas. That's the food for the Amoeba Proteus. There's also a grain of rice, which is also food for the amoeba. And amoeba is going to be quite difficult to see because it's clear. It doesn't have chloroplasts, which means that seeing it is going to be a bit more difficult compared to the other organisms that we took a look at. I'm pretty sure this is one, though. Nope, that's not. That is not. Let's see if we can take another look around. Maybe find something. Zoom in a bit more.